National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Preble County, central Butler County, southwestern Montgomery County, until 7 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gravis to near Hamilton, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Fairfield, Trenton, Gravis, 7 Mile, Williamsdale, Germantown, New Miami, Farmersville, Millville, West Elkton, Jacksonburg, Collinsville, and Post-Town Heights. Here